Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install PyCharm on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just open up your browser, go to Google and search for download PyCharm. Then just go to the first link. After this website fully loads, just scroll down. Then just find PyCharm Community Edition, which is the free edition of the software, and click on download. Then it will start downloading. Just patiently wait for it to be downloaded. Then after it has been downloaded, just click on open file. Click on yes. Then click on next. Then just select the location where you want to install it and click on next. Click on next again. Click on install. Then after it has been installed, check this box and click on finish. Click on OK. And that is how to download and install PyCharm on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.